Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel AJ Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you're enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best tool for push notification to your website. For more information, watch the video till end. Grab the opportunities to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out. The I button. I do not recommend, I only suggest investment online have a risk, so please research before them. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is OneSignal? OneSignal is the main client commitment informing arrangement utilized by more than 1 million organizations around the world and conveys in excess of 8 billion push messages every day. Organizations of all sizes trust OneSignal to support maintenance, increment commitment, and improve correspondence with their clients. Is OneSignal free? OneSignal is a multi-stage message pop-up assistance, and it is thoroughly free to utilize. Multi-stage uphold gives a solitary UI and API to convey messages across different stages, for example, iOS, Android, Amazon Fire, Windows Phone, Chrome apps, etc. What do warnings do? A message pop-up is a message that springs up on a cell phone. Message pop-ups appear as though SMS instant messages and portable alarms, yet they just arrive at clients who have introduced your application. Every portable stage has upheld for pop-up messages. iOS, Android, Fire OS, Windows, and BlackBerry all have their own administrations. A pop-up message is safe. Much the same as SMS, push warnings all by themselves are not a security highlight. Messages travel free through the push supplier, Apple and Google, and we have seen push administrations bargained in nature. Do push notices cost cash? Sending a pop-up message, regardless of in case you're providing the back-end foundation, is never really liberated from cost. There's additionally one glaring issue with conveying pop-up messages yourself. You do not have the capacity to consider your message pop-up examination. Sorts of pop-up message. 1. Mobile push. Be the main message clients see when they get their telephones. Warnings are the essential traffic hotspot for most versatile applications. 2. Web push. Stay before your clients even after they leave your site. Deals with Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, Opera, and Yandex. 3. In-app. Convey messages that make enchant. Plan pennants, pop-ups, and interstitials. Actualize without a solitary line of code. 4. Email. Configuration messages that look extraordinary on each gadget with the intuitive arranger. Modify our free formats to coordinate your image. 5. SMS. Arrive at clients straightforwardly on their telephone for higher commitment and change. Speak with clients who don't have your application and clients who don't have a cell phone. 1. Sign component. 1.15 minute setup. Our clients are constantly stunned at the fact that it is so natural to begin. 2. Real-time reporting. View conveyance and transformation execution for each message. 3. Incredible scalability. A great many clients. Don't sweat it. We convey billions of notices every day. 4. A/B testing. Think about message execution and naturally send the best. 5. Superior segmentation. Make customized messages and send them to the correct crowds. 6. Automated messaging. Set it and fail to remember it. You can trigger notices dependent on client conduct. 7. Intelligent delivery. Influence AI to send your messages at the ideal time. 8. Analyze results anywhere. Our SDKs are open source and each segment is available through API. I hope you all really like this tool. You can start with free. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos of online money-making tools and websites. Don't forget to share the video. Leave a comment on which type of tools do you want. I definitely make a video on them. Good luck.